2024 3LZ Red Mist Z06 Coupe. Once again, I am Robert, and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I have your all favorites. Another 2024 3LZ Red Mist Z06 Coupe. Check this out. Y'all love Red Mist, and how can you not? Look at how gorgeous this pretty Corvette is. Cannot go wrong with this color. So let's start breaking it down. So to 2024, it's a 3LZ. Has the carbon flash exterior accents. Of course, we got the front curved view cameras up front. We have the body color, three-piece fun splitter, carbon flash badge package. We have the black spider wheels. And let's get down here, show you these a little closer. Of course, beautiful gloss black. But then you check it out. We also have the J57 high carbon ceramic brake package. Now, this is not a Z07 track package, so just the brake option. We also made it to the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S run flat tires. Then we can make our way around. We have the carbon fiber painted carbon flash side skirts. We have the carbon flash mirror and rear wicker bill spoiler package. And of course, you see the beautiful wishbone inlet there, all in carbon flash. So you can see the pattern here. We're all carbon flash on red. We've had this before, and it's very popular. And this is going to be another one I think that's going to go quick. You all love this, and so do I. From the rear, you can see we have the beautiful black tip MPP multi-mode exhaust and the full stage 2 carbon flash rear wicker bill spoiler and the carbon flash Corvette scroll. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give this a startup, so let's go ahead and give it a remote start. You hold the remote start button and do it. You could do 2 remote starts per physical start of the car. On to the engine bay, we have the engine lighting package, so we have the lights overhead, and look at that. We've got the beautiful Edge Red engine intake package. Again, goes perfectly with this Red Mist car. Shout out to Jennifer Putman. I know we've had Jennifer's engines in here before, and here's another one, hand-built in Bowling Green by her. We have a cargo space trunk here in the rear, room for 2 medium-sized golf bags, and, of course, the target top if you want to go part-time convertible by pulling that target top off. On to the interior, so we have our gorgeous Nappa leather and black. We have our black and adrenaline red stitch here on the door. Stealth interior package, and then, of course, more adrenaline red stitching through the interior. Leather-wrapped carbon fiber steering wheel with the adrenaline red stitching. You also have it on the mode selector. Chevy MyLink infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. And then we got our GT2 bucket seat red stitching and torch red seatbelt as well. We got red stitching on the floor mat, and we got the red stitching with the microfiber suede upper trim package. Standard in the 3LZ. Onto the front. Yeah, the button right here. Once it pops, wait for the beat. Open her up. We got our pouches installed. Room for a full-size carry-on or several soft small bags. Battery here. Brake fluid reservoir, brake fluid, windshield washer, reservoir fluid. And again, anything 24 or newer, slow close feature on the front trunk. This 2024 Z06 has only 1,600 miles. We got it priced at $123,995. And again, you refer back to the website, go below the dealer notes on the vehicle's posting. You'll see, show me the Carfax logo. Click on that Carfax link. It'll pull up all the vehicle info as well as free access to the PDF of the original window sticker. If you're interested in this beautiful Red Mist supercar or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please share info up in the corner and down description below. And as always, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of this beautiful Corvette. Please hit that thumbs up and hype button. And I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And I will see you on the next one.